All right, so I got the manual one that you have to press to, apply your CO. In short, I do recommend it. So just want to go ahead and get that out of the way. Now, when I'm filling up, let's see if yeah, there you go. You see the 0.89? When I fill up my canister, I always leave just a little bit of space. That way, when trying to do this all one-handed, that way when I do push, I have some space for the carbonation. I'll hold for like about 10 to 15 seconds. I drink about 3 to 4 of these a day, so that's pretty good. And this one canister has lasted over a week. I just got it last Thursday. It's Friday now, so hey, that's a pretty long time. And as you can see, like I said, I drink 3 to 4 of these a day. Still a lot of fizz in there, or air, or CO, if you want to be technical. It's that could have been done better, but hey. But in short, yeah, again, I do think it's worth it. I wanted to have the measure out here so that way you guys can get a little peace of mind and see, what is that? That's about 10 inches, 11. Good sum. So, yes, I think it's worth it. Again, I drink about 3 to 4 of these a day. I hold that button for 10 to 15 seconds. It's lasted over a week. You all can do the math on how much you would have spent in a week's worth of time of just buying your own seltzer water. Hope this helps.
Alright, this has a little bit of a bubbly syrup in it, so it should be probably worst case for foam. That's the sound you're looking for. And there is the secondary foaming that can get you. And then you wait till that's all done. And Dunskies.